Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vera. In this video, I will show you how to change or settings DPI on your Oppo A3x and Oppo A3 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First thing first, you must to activate developer options on your phone. Open your settings menu and then go to about device, click it. Next, you open version. Click version. Yep, in this version number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. Enter your lock screen password. You are now a developer. You click back again one more times. Okay, next in your settings menu, you open additional settings. Click it. Now you can see developer options menu on your phone. Open your developer options menu. Next to settings your DPI, you can scroll down and you search smallest width or DPI. Yep, this is smallest width or DPI. You click it. You can see my default DPI is 360. I will change to 500. Click save. Yep, successfully my DPI is 500 dp. Next, I will try to 600. Click save. Yep, successfully. Now you can see the display on my phone has become smaller and one screen can now show more menu. You have to be careful because if you change DPI too high can cause your cell phone to black screen or reset. Next, to restore DPI to default, you can click again on the smallest width and you change to default DPI. On my phone is 360. Click save. Yep, successfully my DPI is default. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.